Yo, what's up? Pulled off to a random spot that I looked on a map on my drive. And so we're gonna do a little fishing here, see what we can catch. Looks promising, so hopefully it pans out. First fish of the day. Got a little white swim jig. Oh, a little small mouth. Let's get it back in. Hopefully it picks up from there. Got a bite. Oh, man, that's a big old smallie. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ooh. There was another one, big one too, with it too. We gotta go get her back over there and come set up over here. Woo! We think we found a spot. Man, look at that. Damn. Man, there's like a sewer over there. The water's flowing out of. We had a first hit, missed, but then this one came and hit it. There's another one with it too. So, man, well, let's get this one weighed up, measured up, and released, and then we're gonna go ahead over there real quick. Man, we got it all measured up. Got it at 361. Woo! Look at that. Let's get a picture of it. Let's get it out of here, man. There it goes. Get back in there. You saw that? See that? Right here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Man. Not as big as the other one, man, but aren't they aggressive? Right off of the sewer area, right here. Let's get it back in there. Man, these river smallies are fun. We're fishing the Rum River right out of Anoka. On again, oh my goodness. Oh man, this one's big too. Man, this one is just a chunker of a. This one. Oh, look at it. The stunted one has an injury to the tail. Just fat. Man, I gotta put this one on the scale. Oh. 332. Man, two of them over 3-pounder already, man. chunky. That's another chunky. That's another chunky. Man. That's another decent sized one right here. Man, it's spitting up. Looks like Sunny's in here. Man. Awesome fish in this little Rum River of a spot. $249, almost 2.5 pounds. Man. Woo-hoo. All right, with that, we're gonna end this video. So we just randomly drove to this spot, picking up Google Maps. We're fishing the Rum River in Nonka on Highway 10. So overall, it was a good choice. We got some 3 pound smallies, 1 2.5, and just some more small other fish that we have. So super excited, super fun. Man, this is what I love about randomly a spot to fish. You never know what you're gonna find. So until the next video.